So today we are at the Laser Photonics fair in Munich, and we are building the second prototype of the solar bamboo car. Compared to the prototype 1, we improved the steering system and the suspension and also the aluminum frame. We are very happy to have our team members from Botswana on board, especially because the solar car is designed to be built in Africa for Africa. And that's why it's very important to have African people in the team and also on board when building prototypes.
We're excited with doing a green project and bringing a green car to the economy and the African economy at large.
It's amazing to see how all the students that came to the Makeathon are working on the prototype with so much motivation and endurance that the second prototype could be finished within 30 hours.
Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm from Gran Canaria. I'm studying industrial design engineering. I'm in the team from design and usability.
I'm Joseph and I'm studying mechanical engineering. I joined the solar car team 2 months ago, and I'm here for the Makeathon to have fun.
I want to thank all the solar car team members that helped us to plan the prototype, and I hope that they will be with us when we are building the prototype 3. Thank you.